What's up guys, it's RobTechHelp here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I've got the Willfui, I believe it's either Korean or maybe Japanese, I'm not too sure what it is. This is a smartwatch that you can use for exercising or anything of the sort. I haven't used these yet, I'm just about to unbox them to see what they're like. So if you're tuning in, please guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. You know the vibes, you know all the rest of the lot. Let me know what you think about these. And these will be great for exercising, I believe, hopefully. I didn't want to overspend on a Fitbit or an Apple Watch yet. I just wanted to try. I needed something that can, help me while I'm exercising and just to, track my daily activities as well. So hopefully these should be good enough. They look good and they have really, really great reviews. I believe I got them for about £35 or maybe £36 possibly. But without further ado guys, enough of the nonsense. Let's get right into this. So, what do we have here? We got step pedometer. You got a sleep monitor. This has SMS alert as well. So I'm guessing this will Bluetooth connect to your phone as well, which is pretty handy as well. As you can see there, so it's got a lot of different things. You may not be able to see this at the moment actually. It's got a heart rate monitor. I don't know how accurate that is. It'll be interesting to find out one day. And it's got a screen resolution of 1.3-inch LCD color screen. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, guys. And let's see what is inside. Okay, so it comes in this nice little box right here. This I'm honestly, guys, I do not know how to pronounce it, so don't troll me in the comment section. I don't know if it's Willfui or I don't know what language it is. I don't know if it's Korean or Japanese. It's probably not Japanese. Maybe Singapore or something. I'm not sure. But yes, it comes in this nice, small box. Not much, you can say it's just a box, I guess. I guess you get a little, bits and bobs as usual. And I'm guessing you get a sort of an instruction manual, probably tell you how to connect it to your phone, and operational instructions, of course. So, have a lot of information, key information that you can use as well. And, information on how to charge it as well. So you get quite a lot of different types of information in regard to this. Alright, so what do we have here? Okay, I think this is a charging. Yeah, it is a charging device. Probably USB, micro USB probably. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, that's an interesting. This is what the charger looks like. Kind of this interesting looking charger. I'm not sure what kind of charger it is. I've never had a smartwatch, so maybe you guys who've had a smartwatch will probably know better than I do about this sort of charger. But it's pretty interesting. And let's take it out. There's not much else in there. It's just that, and that's it. Basically, this is what the watch is at. You know the vibes, guys. This is what it looks like. No, nothing glamorous. It's just a smartwatch with a standard, sort of wrist sort of thing. It's got this sort of plastic around it. I guess to protect it. I'm not really good with taking stuff off, to be honest with you guys. So bear with me when I do this sort of stuff. I'm not very good at this sort of thing. So there we go. Okay, so you can sort of just open it from there. You know the vibes. And oh wow, it looks pretty good. Function button. Oh, okay, so it's just basically just telling you whatever. I mean, I think it only has one button anyway, and it's touchscreen as well. So I don't know if you can see. If I zoom in, I may have to focus the camera for you. I think you can. Yeah, I think maybe you can see a little bit in there. in there, but not much really. Anyway, so right, I'm just gonna look at this for a second and come back to you guys and show you how I can turn this on, because I don't think it's charged already. So I think you kind of have to, you maybe just connect it to some sort of energy source, power source, and then you'd be able to basically get it working basically. So bear with me guys, I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, so guys, here we go. There we go, it's on now. So you basically, well, not focused, so I've got to show you guys if I can. 1 second. There we go guys. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's better. So you can sort of see, well, actually, you can see the time on there so far anyway. Now to connect it, from what we've gathered is that you need to download the app called Willfui app, which I have downloaded on my phone and turned on my Bluetooth. So let's see if my phone, I've got the Willfui app here, Willfui app on App Store. I could probably open that as well, but let me see if I can find that on my if I can find this device on my phone, and then I can connect to the device as well. But it looks pretty good so far. I mean, touchscreen, you sort of just do that. It's got sport. You can't see properly, but I'll just let you know, guys. Sport, heart rate. I can go back again. Okay, sport, heart rate, relax, alarm. I'm sure there's more. You know, there's music controller, so it can control your music, which is pretty good as well. You don't have to use your phone. It's got a timer on there. It's got settings. It's got a sports record. So I guess it's just record your sports activities. That's pretty good actually. So if you go to sport, you have so many things. You got walking, running. You got hiking, climbing, treadmill. It's got nearly everything. You know, I think this is pretty handy. I just want to connect it to my Bluetooth first, and then we can move on and see how it really works. So I've got the app open. I don't know if that would make much of a difference, but let's see. Okay, so using the app is actually searching for a device. Please select device ID205L. I hope it's mine. I would think so. Yep, so you can see it binding together. Guys, you can see that it's connecting. I don't know if it's male or female. Oh, I'm sorry. I almost got confused there, guys. But yeah, so that looks like it's not really a hard process to pair it. You could just set up everything on your phone in terms of your date of birth and everything on this. But I think what I'm going to do is I'll use this, and once I've set up, you know, I think it's pretty much connected now. So I'll use this for a while, and I'll bring you guys a full review on how it's working, and hopefully it should be good. But anyway, thank you guys, appreciate that for tuning in to this smartwatch unboxing video. Hopefully, you know, you guys could go get some as well. You know, it really does have very good reviews, and it's got a decent price, about £36. So I think I'll probably end up liking this, because it'll do what I need. If you want to be able to track your steps when you're running, because you don't want to use your phone, I guess, to track you're running, because you don't, sometimes you may not want your phone in your pocket. Your phone is too heavy when you're running on the treadmill or working out. It doesn't track that. So you need something that is touchscreen as well. This will be perfect. All right, guys. We'll bring you a full review whilst I've used it properly, and I'll come back to you guys. Anyway, guys, like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Take care, guys. It's Rob Tech Help here, and I'm out. Cheers.